J'aimerais en savoir plus.
I'd like more. I'd like more.
Je le pense aussi.
I think so too. I think so too.
Est-ce oui ou non?
Is it yes or no? Is it yes or no?
Oui, il a appelé.
Yes, he called. Yes, he called.
Je sens qu'elle est sexy.
I feel she is hot. I feel she is hot.
Je suis arrivé à l'heure.
I arrived on time. I arrived on time.
J'ai échoué au test.
I failed the test. I failed the test.
J'ai une douleur sourde.
I have a dull pain. I have a dull pain.
Je ne fume plus.
I no longer smoke. I no longer smoke.
Il fait nuageux aujourd'hui.
It's cloudy today. It's cloudy today.
Vous avez fait tomber ça.
You dropped this. You dropped this.
Puis-je utiliser la carte Visa?
Can I use Visa card? Can I use Visa card?
Le café me réveille.
Coffee wakes me up. Coffee wakes me up.
J'aime beaucoup ce thé.
I'm fond of this tea. I'm fond of this tea.
Mes lèvres sont scellées.
My lips are sealed. My lips are sealed.
Surveillez votre langage.
Watch your tongue. Watch your tongue.
Avez-vous trop mangé?
Did you eat too much? Did you eat too much?
Ne soyez pas ridicule.
Don't be ridiculous. Don't be ridiculous.
Je vais m'allonger.
I'm going to lie down. I'm going to lie down.
C'est regrettable.
That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate.
Je m'entends bien avec lui.
I get on well with him. I get on well with him.
Est-il un bon vendeur?
Is he a good salesman? Is he a good salesman?
Nous ne faisions que parler.
We were just talking. We were just talking.
À quoi sert cette ligne?
What is this line for? What is this line for?
Pourriez-vous le raccourcir?
Would you shorten it? Would you shorten it?
Combien êtes-vous?
How many in your party? How many in your party?
Servez-vous.
Please help yourself. Please help yourself.
Quand revient-il?
When is he coming back? When is he coming back?
Je peux m'asseoir ici?
Do you mind if I sit here? Do you mind if I sit here?
Merci de m'avoir aidé.
Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me.
800.
800. 800.
La télévision est cassée.
The TV is broken. The TV is broken.
Quelle route dois-je prendre?
Which road should I take? Which road should I take?
Vous jouez au basketball?
Do you play basketball? Do you play basketball?
Je serai plus prudent.
I will be more careful. I will be more careful.
Non, pas du tout.
No, not a bit. No, not a bit.
Plus d'excuses.
No more excuses. No more excuses.
Il est très populaire.
He's very popular. He's very popular.
Je prends le métro.
I take the subway. I take the subway.
Il a une langue de miel.
He's honey-tongued. He's honey-tongued.
C'est incroyable.
It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable.
Démarrer la voiture.
Just start the car. Just start the car.
C'est une belle chemise.
That's a nice shirt. That's a nice shirt.
L'idée me hante.
The idea haunts me. The idea haunts me.
Où se trouve l'hôtel?
Where is the hotel? Where is the hotel?
Va-t-il pleuvoir aujourd'hui?
Will it rain today? Will it rain today?
Ne me répondez pas.
Don't talk back to me. Don't talk back to me.
J'ai mal à la gorge.
I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat.
Je suis né au Canada.
I was born in Canada. I was born in Canada.
C'est beaucoup de problèmes.
It's a lot of trouble. It's a lot of trouble.
Puis-je prendre un message?
May I take a message? May I take a message?
Travaillez-vous à temps partiel?
Do you work part-time? Do you work part-time?
Est-ce que ça a bon goût?
Does this taste good? Does this taste good?
N'abandonnez pas si tôt.
Don't give up so early. Don't give up so early.
J'ai encore trop dormi.
I've overslept again. I've overslept again.
Il fait déjà nuit.
It's already dark out. It's already dark out.
L'eau est bouillante.
The water is boiling. The water is boiling.
Nous allons à Hawaï.
We're going to Hawaii. We're going to Hawaii.
Vous m'avez déçu.
You disappointed me. You disappointed me.
Vous avez l'air heureuse aujourd'hui.
Do you look happy today? Do you look happy today?
Pouvez-vous jouer demain?
Can you play tomorrow? Can you play tomorrow?
Puis-je prendre un message?
Could I take a message? Could I take a message?
Dois-je le refaire?
Do I have to do it again? Do I have to do it again?
Combien demandez-vous?
How much do you charge? How much do you charge?
Je vous comprends.
I sympathize with you. I sympathize with you.
Le sol est glissant.
The floor is slippery. The floor is slippery.
En êtes-vous sûr?
Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that?
Elle recommence.
She's starting it again. She's starting it again.
C'est décevant.
This is disappointing. This is disappointing.
À quoi sert ce montant?
What is this amount for? What is this amount for?
Êtes-vous attentif?
Are you paying attention? Are you paying attention?
Savez-vous où il se trouve?
Do you know where they are? Do you know where they are?
Je n'aurais pas dû faire cela.
I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that.
Quelle robe dois-je porter?
Which dress should I wear? Which dress should I wear?
Vous devriez faire quelque chose de votre vie.
You should make something out of yourself. You should make something out of yourself.
500.
500. 500.
Au fait.
By the way. By the way.
Le feriez-vous?
Would you? Would you?
À quelle heure commence-t-elle?
What time does it start? What time does it start?
Y a-t-il du courrier pour moi?
Is there any mail for me? Is there any mail for me?
Ces livres sont les nôtres.
These books are ours. These books are ours.
Vous êtes plus intelligent que lui.
You're smarter than him. You're smarter than him.
Je n'ai pas de petite amie.
I don't have a girlfriend. I don't have a girlfriend.
Je veux vous faire un cadeau.
I want to give you a gift. I want to give you a gift.
Les routes sont glissantes.
The roads are slippery. The roads are slippery.
Je pense que c'est très bien.
I think it's very good. I think it's very good.
Savez-vous ce que cela signifie?
Do you know what this means? Do you know what this means?
Où puis-je acheter des billets?
Where can I buy tickets? Where can I buy tickets?
Vos enfants sont-ils avec vous?
Are your children with you? Are your children with you?
Pratiquons l'anglais.
Let's practice English. Let's practice English.
N'importe quel jour fera l'affaire.
Any day will do. Any day will do.
Vous arrivez juste à temps.
You are just in time. You are just in time.
Je vais tout arranger.
I will arrange everything. I will arrange everything.
Les choses s'améliorent.
Things are getting better. Things are getting better.
J'ai pris du poids.
I have been putting on weight. I have been putting on weight.
Je me suis cassé la jambe.
I broke my leg. I broke my leg.
Pourquoi ne l'avez-vous pas fait?
Why didn't you? Why didn't you?
Pour autant que je sache.
As far as I know. As far as I know.
Vous êtes trop aimable.
You're too kind. You're too kind.
Cela va fonctionner.
It will work out. It will work out.
Terminez votre travail.
Finish your work. Finish your work.
Comment dois-je m'y prendre?
How should I do it? How should I do it?
Nous sommes d'accord avec vous.
We agree with you. We agree with you.
Tu vas me manquer aussi.
I will miss you, too. I will miss you, too.
Est-ce que c'est délicieux?
Is this delicious? Is this delicious?
C'est une perte de temps.
It's a waste of time. It's a waste of time.
Ce n'est pas important.
It's not important. It's not important.
Arrêtez de vous plaindre.
Stop complaining. Stop complaining.
C'est comme ça qu'il est.
That's the way he is. That's the way he is.
N'enfreignez pas les règles.
Don't violate rules. Don't violate rules.
Bon anniversaire.
Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
J'ai un léger rhume.
I have a slight cold. I have a slight cold.
C'est une belle veste.
That's a nice jacket. That's a nice jacket.
Quelle en est la cause?
What is it caused by? What is it caused by?
Qui est dans ce film?
Who's in this movie? Who's in this movie?
Vous vous sentez bien?
Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay?
À quelle heure êtes-vous ouvert?
How late are you open? How late are you open?
Je n'ai rien dit.
I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything.
J'ai tout oublié.
I forgot all about it. I forgot all about it.
J'aurais aimé lui demander.
I wish I had asked him. I wish I had asked him.
Je n'en suis pas heureux.
I'm not happy about it. I'm not happy about it.
On dirait un gagnant.
Sounds like a winner. Sounds like a winner.
De quel côté êtes-vous?
Whose side are you on? Whose side are you on?
Avez-vous apprécié la pièce?
Did you enjoy the play? Did you enjoy the play?
Je vais prendre un bain.
I'm going to take a bath. I'm going to take a bath.
C'est au 3e étage.
It's on the third floor. It's on the third floor.
Il y a une possibilité.
There's a possibility. There's a possibility.
Ces puces sont périmées.
These chips are stale. These chips are stale.
Vous plaisantez.
You've got to be kidding. You've got to be kidding.
Puis-je louer le matériel?
Can I rent the equipment? Can I rent the equipment?
Le réveil a-t-il sonné?
Did the alarm clock ring? Did the alarm clock ring?
Comment tout cela se passe-t-il?
How's everything going? How's everything going?
Veuillez vous en occuper.
Please take care of this. Please take care of this.
Quelles sont vos plaintes?
What are your complaints? What are your complaints?
Quel camp soutenez-vous?
Which side do you support? Which side do you support?
17.
17. 17.
Quand l'avion arrive-t-il?
When does the plane arrive? When does the plane arrive?
Où se trouve la poste?
Where's the post office? Where's the post office?
Où avez-vous appris l'anglais?
Where did you learn English? Where did you learn English?
J'étais à la bibliothèque.
I was in the library. I was in the library.
Les livres sont chers.
The books are expensive. The books are expensive.
Quel est votre plat préféré?
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
Cette pièce est un vrai fouillis.
This room is a mess. This room is a mess.
Je lui dirai que vous avez appelé.
I'll tell him you called. I'll tell him you called.
Puis-je utiliser votre téléphone?
Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone?
L'argent n'est pas tout.
Money is not everything. Money is not everything.
Il est temps d'aller au lit.
It's time you went to bed. It's time you went to bed.
En un mot, oui.
In a word, yes. In a word, yes.
Regardons les choses en face.
Let's face it. Let's face it.
Je vous suis redevable.
I'm in your debt. I'm in your debt.
Je suis tellement crédule.
I'm so gullible. I'm so gullible.
Est-ce que Monica va bien?
Is Monica okay? Is Monica okay?
C'est maintenant ou jamais.
It's now or never. It's now or never.
Ce n'était pas un problème.
It was no big deal. It was no big deal.
Essayons de cette façon.
Let's try this way. Let's try this way.
Cela semble facile.
That sounds easy. That sounds easy.
Quand puis-je passer?
When can I drop by? When can I drop by?
Il travaille très dur.
He's very hard working. He's very hard working.
Très bien, merci.
Very good, thanks. Very good, thanks.
Vous voulez vous promener?
Would you like to go for a walk? Would you like to go for a walk?
Il y a beaucoup de gens ici.
There are many people here. There are many people here.
Je me sens satisfait.
I feel satisfied. I feel satisfied.
Non, ce n'est pas le cas.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
J'utilise le métro.
I use the subway. I use the subway.
N'importe quoi fera l'affaire.
Anything will do. Anything will do.